Good morning. This is your local Channel 6 Kansas News.
I'm Susie Chard.
And I'm Scott McLean.
Oh, we were just informed that Wichita, which is in the center of Tornado Valley, has a 90% chance of a level 5 tornado this evening.
A level 5 tornado is the highest level a tornado can reach. Do you know how tornadoes form?
Yeah, well, you need a thunderstorm first, and once a storm is happening, cold air mixes with warm air. The cold air drops and the warm air rises because cold air is more dense. The warm air eventually fixes into a spiral pattern that we all know as a tornado. For the spiral to happen, it goes through a series of steps. 1. A change in wind direction and an increase in wind speed. This creates an invisible horizontal spinning action in the lower atmosphere. 2nd, rising air included in the thunderstorms, rising updraft, tilt the horizontal spinning to vertical. 3rd, a 3 to 10 kilometer vast area in the storm is where most of the strongest tornadoes come from. A lower cloud in the storm becomes a rotating cloud. Sometimes this area is completely free of rain. Because of the level 5 tornado going to be hitting Wichita today, we have an interesting guest that's going to be showing us some interesting facts.
His name is Jesse.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Hi kids. Today I'm going to give you an example of what a tornado looks like. Now this is our model tornado. Are you ready, kids, for a big surprise? 1, 2, 3. You see that spinning? That's what a tornado looks like. Okay. Some interesting facts are, tornadoes always rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. Large amounts of dust are raised due to these cyclonic winds. Also, a tornado can occur any time of the year. However, reports reveal many of them occur during May. They can come in any size. Wind speeds can range from between 40 miles per hour to 110 miles per hour. They can move in any direction, but most commonly southwest to northwest.
Because of the amount of tornadoes that Wichita is going to be getting today, we have a special guest for you all.
He's going to be showing us some interesting facts.
So I hear you're an expert on tornadoes.
That I am. I have a PhD and I'm a meteorologist.
What are some warning signs?
Well, tornadoes usually appear after a thunderstorm happens. So obvious signs are dark clouds, maybe even a green cloud, lightning, thunder, all that kind of stuff. You can look out for that.
That sounds pretty dangerous. What are some precautions we can take?
Well, most tornado deaths come from buildings or broken-in walls and stuff like that, just debris in general. So you should really stay in your basement and avoid windows and stuff like that. And if you live in a mobile house or cottages, you should probably leave that and go to somewhere stronger.
Where do tornadoes occur?
Well, mainly tornadoes usually hit North America, mainly USA and Canada. In the US, they hit in Texas, Oklahoma, Nebraska, eastern Colorado, and western Iowa. And in Canada, they usually hit the southwestern prairies and Ontario.
Tornado?
Tornado.
Tornado. Tornado. Tornado.
Tornado.
3.
Tornado!
Tornado.
Tornado!
Tornado.
Tornado!
Tornado.
Tornado!
Welcome to the 6 p.m. news on Channel 6. If you didn't tune in earlier, Wichita has been warned about a dangerous level 5 tornado.
Right now, they are experiencing warning signs of the tornado or tornadoes.
Many of the signs are what our specialists mentioned earlier.
Wichita, Kansas, 1991. A tornado forms along the Kansas Turnpike.
No. Yeah. Lots faster.
A local TV news crew is in its way.
Lots faster. They ain't sketching us. You gotta go, buddy.
The tornado races at over 85 miles an hour.
Get up under here.
Unable to outrun it, they take cover under a highway overpass, joined by a family seeking shelter from the twister. As quickly as it appears, it is gone, leaving behind a trail of destruction.
Some after effects of a tornado are injuries from people walking on debris after damaged buildings have come down and fallen on the streets. Common causes of injury also include falling objects and heavy rolling objects. Because tornadoes often damage power lines, gas lines, or electrical systems, there's a risk of fire, electrocution, or an explosion.
When and will a tornado increase or decrease in size and magnitude? Tornadoes usually build to a certain size, then after they have gone on the rampage, they slowly decrease in size and magnitude until they die out completely.
How are tornadoes forecasted? It's hard to forecast tornadoes. They don't last very long and are also very complicated. Using what they know about atmospheric conditions from past tornadoes, meteorologists can tell when they may form.